There's a storm today, snowstorm. You can barely see anything outside. First storm in 2022 and look at that. How many inches is that, Daddy? Oh,
Wait, let me stand. There.
Yeah, so naa siya sa imong Nina.
Oh, very cold.
And then I want to get there. Can you grab some? Because I want to make some yellow corn carne. Oh, yellow corn. Go na, Daddy. Give me one. Like that. And then we have our Miming here. She's very
She
scared.
wants to go out, but she's just cold.
But she's very cold. It's very scary. Okay, Daddy will get some snow. Daddy, ang ganda na sa center, ha?
You wanna see me?
Oh, there!
Snow.
Snow cones! Miming see, Daddy. Let Miming see.
Let me see. Ta-da!
Throw her there. Let me see. Let's see her action. Miming, you cannot go there.
Yeah, Mimi.
Come here na, come here na.
And if she jumps
Come.
there,
Oh
then
no?
she'll be...
See? Alright, guys. We have a lot of...
Can I
Go.
Okay, I'm
Can I take a
trying
piece
to...
and eat it?
Yeah, I'm trying to make some...
Yeah? Go,
What do you call that? I have a mais,
I'm gonna eat it.
cream style corn. We are going to open it.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored by Del Monte. I bought this by my own money.
You get it for free?
No.
The content milk.
It's gonna melt. Because of the light.
It's not like it.
Are you sure that's yummy?
Yeah, this is yummy. This is my favorite.
What is it?
Dagan lagi. Mahilis ng snow.
Mahilig ba na dance? No. Condense. Yeah.
Hindi mo ha.
Because this is very, very kuan. Grabe ka. Fine kaayo diya siya.
Freshly fallen
Kasi
snow.
shaves na ang dami.
Yeah, shaved na dapat. Eh, ano naman. Mmm!
What is that?
But I need more.
If it's like that, we could have just put water.
No.
What is that?
You try it, guys.
Matap ang siya.
Ami. Hindi ka nahan.
Then Shannon doesn't like that.
It's good. Nobody likes it like it's just me.
But I want it with the ice texture.
No, it's not sweet.
Daddy, you try this.
We're going out to clear the snow. Ming is excited. Yeah, man. So let's go out and see. There's a lot of snow there, man. The snow is that high. It's almost my knee. So we're gonna clear the snow first. I gotta clear the snow here first, man. Stairs. I just made a path here. There, made a path. Now I'm going to the shed, get my snowblower. It'll be my first time to use it after I bought it. Look at our shed. It's like an oasis here. There. There's no snow here. The lock is frozen. I'm gonna torch it. Snowblower. Guys, there got hit by snow. Okay, putting it on.
So this is after the storm. I'm going to shovel here.
Right, we're doing what do you call this? Harder, Shan. Ganun. You just layo ba layo?
In the click then we. This is like 1, 2, 3, go.
Diyan sa tunga-tunga, tunga-tunga. Dia, tunga-tunga. Dia.
Anna's the one that's doing it.
So, bubuto din lagi ka. Ito. Dito ka sa yung on.
Brianna went to see our neighbor's dog. Don't shovel this part, Dad.
Right.
Cause I'm gonna jump there. And the really far back. Bria, looks like you went to
Antarctica?
North Pole. Go.
Wow! That's a wee! Oh no, wee!
Ready? Very far. Go. Jump. Ready, set, go. Try it, Shan.
I'm cold.
I think I can go half.
Let it go! Ow.
Me voy a matar, te me último. Uy, uy, uy. Me voy a matar. Uy, uy.